So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be solving the day 4 challenge of 30 days of code, which is based on classes and instance. So the objective of this challenge is to make you aware about classes and instance. So the task of this code is as follows. We have to write a person class with an instance variable age and a constructor that takes an integer initial age as a parameter. The constructor must assign initial age to age after confirming that passed as argument passed as initial age is not a negative, and if it is negative we have to set age to 0 and we have to print age is not valid and setting age to 0. And in addition we have to perform the following methods. In the method year passes we have to increase the age by 1, and in the function am I old, we have to print you are young if age is less than 13, and we have to print you are a teenager if age is greater than or equal to 13 and age is less than 18. Otherwise we have to print you are old. So let's get to the code. So I'll reset the code. So yeah, so they have written a class person, and we have logged code here. We just have to finish the methods of class person, then our job is done. We don't have to worry about the logged stub code. So I'll finish uh, the code of constructor. So if the initial age is less than 0, we have to set age to 0, and we have to print that age is not valid and setting age to 0. So I'll copy it from the sample output. And if the age is 0 or greater than 0, we have to assign initial age to age. So I have completed the code of constructor. So I'll complete the code for am I old function. So if age is less than 13, we have to print you are a teenager. No, you are young. So I'll copy it from this sample code and directly paste it here. Else if age is greater than or equal to 13 and age is less than 18, we have to print that you are a teenager. Else else we have to print that you are old. And in the year passes function we just have to increment the age. So I'll just run the code. Oh, I forgot to give semicolon over here. Oh, sorry. I forgot to write backslash here, as we have to match our output with the desired output. What's wrong? My bad. Let me check it from my previous submitted code. Okay, got it. My bad. I don't know what went wrong. Oh, sorry. Here I wrote you are, but I have to write you. Hopefully this will work. Yeah. It's working fine. I'll just submit the code. So yes, this has passed all the sample test cases. So thanks for watching, guys.